In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix the payment revision needed on Amazon. Now, you may have gone to buy something on Amazon and seen this payment revision needed message pop up. And what this actually means is there is a problem with your payment method and Amazon needs you to update it. So luckily, this is a really easy fix. So I'm going to show you all the steps that you should do in order to fix this problem. And then after you have solved this, you will be able to purchase your items off Amazon. So the first thing I would recommend to do is to check your payment information. So you want to make sure that the information on your payment method is correct, including your name, card number, expiration date, and CVV code. So the way to find that would be to go up to your Amazon settings. I'm not logged in, but if you clicked up here where your account is, you can go here to your account and go to your account settings. And then you want to go to your payment methods. And then you want to select the payment method you want to update, enter the new information for your payment method, and then click save. Now, if you've done that and you're still running into this problem, what I would recommend to do is to make sure your card has enough funds. So if your card has insufficient funds, Amazon will not be able to process your payment. So I do recommend looking in your bank and making sure there is enough money in there for your purchase. Now, if that's still not working, you might just want to try a different payment method. So if you do have another card saved in your Amazon account, you can either use that or just add a new one if you do have a second card. And then hopefully when you try again, that actually does work. Now, if that still doesn't work, you might want to actually check with your bank. So if you have actually checked that your payment information is correct and you've got the right money, you might want to check with your bank to see if there is a problem with your card. Or instead of messaging your bank, you can also ask Amazon customer support, as they may be able to help you with this too. So what you'll want to do is go over to Amazon's website, click on the help button, select contact us. Then you just want to select the topic which best describes your issue and then enter in your contact information and give a brief little description about your issue. And then once you've done that, you can click submit and an Amazon customer service representative will contact you shortly to help resolve the issue. So hopefully you don't need to go through all of those steps because you could be here for hours trying to fix all this. So hopefully you just typed in your card information wrong and then you'll be able to fix the payment revision needed error on Amazon. So hopefully you now know how to fix the payment revision needed error message on Amazon. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.